important to have that grand national feeling. Boys of Ardingly College, Sussex, hold their annual steeplechase, playing fields of Britain and all that. Here's the junior race. Many Smith and Brown miners take their beachers, up to the waist. Anyway, what's a ducking to these sporting youngsters? Well run. Here's Haynes, the winner, finishing strongly, stalling off a challenge, and he's not yet 10 years old. After the juniors, it's the turn of the seniors. They cast garments aside, take several deep breaths, get started, and get going with superb dash. After all, they can't let the small fry get all the limelight. They like water too, and get a Valentine's brook thrown in just to make it more difficult. If they can't jump over it, they just jump in. A steeplechase is a steeplechase after all said and done, not an otter hunt. It looks an easy win for Sexton, a jump over as it were. Jolly good running, old man. Did a difficult course in 15 minutes and 1 second.